Good day, everyone. My name is Juniqua, and today's date is the 27th of February, 2023. So, a little bit about myself. So, first off, I am from the beautiful Caribbean twin island of St. Kitts and Nevis. However, I reside on the island of St. Kitts, which is commonly known as Sweet Sugar City, as we've been one of the major sugar producing islands when we were still producing sugar. So that was probably about 20 years, over 20 years ago. So a little bit about myself. I currently have a diploma in animal health, production, and veterinary public health. So that landed me a great job working as a veterinary technician at one, probably the only research facility on the island, which is the St. Kitts Biomedical Research Facility, also known as Versio in our US base. So there I carry out my daily task in ensuring that the monkeys are well maintained with food, their welfare are well kept, and dealing with various cases, whether it be lacerations, dehydration, and anything that is applied on a daily basis. I am the eldest of two children from my mother, so I'm not gonna tell you how old I am, but my little brother, he's about 3 years old, so we have such a huge age gap, and you can probably hear him right now in the background. I love him so much, and our interaction, it's so crazy. It almost seems as if we're on the same age when we communicate sometimes, because he thinks that he's older than me. So let's get back on track. I am not a full-time student. This is the only course that I am doing currently. I'm doing the medical biochemistry course to gain entry to the Ross University School of Veterinary Medicine DVM program, as it has been my lifelong goal to be a vet. So I am grateful to be taking this course as a prerequisite, as it is helping me to get one more step closer to my dream job, my ultimate dream career. Some of my hobbies may include crochet. I love to crochet. I've made a few garments and hats. I'm not the best, but I'm learning, and I also volunteer at our local dog and cat rescue facility known as BAC, and I love it there.